Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to track time in ClickUp in 2026. Time tracking is perfect for managing productivity, tracking billable hours, and understanding where your time actually goes. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign in to your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you use SSO, just choose your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces, lists, and tasks are available. Now, before tracking time, make sure time tracking is enabled. Click on your profile avatar, go to Settings, then navigate to Time Tracking. Here you can turn on time tracking for your workspace if it's not already enabled. Once enabled, open any task where you want to track time. Inside the task, you'll see a time tracking option. Click Start Timer when you begin working on the task. ClickUp will now track your time automatically in the background while you work. Yeah, super simple. When you're done, click Stop Timer. The tracked time will be saved directly to that task. You can also manually add time if you forgot to start the timer. Just choose Add Time and enter the hours and minutes worked. ClickUp also lets you view time entries. Go to the Tasks Time Tracking section or use the Time Tracking view to see all logged time across tasks. This is helpful for reviewing daily or weekly work. For teams, time tracking reports are very useful. You can see how much time each person spends on tasks, projects, or clients. This is great for workload planning and billing purposes. You can also integrate ClickUp with external time tracking tools if needed, but ClickUp's built-in tracker works well for most workflows. Finally, review your tracked time regularly. This helps you identify productivity patterns, improve estimates, and manage your workload more effectively. And that's it. That's how to track time in ClickUp in 2026, step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in